Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a sliding glass door in Minecraft. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need 6 sticky pistons, 4 glass blocks, and 2 pressure plates of your choice. Begin by digging a 2x3x2 block trench directly beneath where your door will be. This space is crucial for the redstone wiring. Next, place 2 sticky pistons on each side of your door frame, ensuring they face inwards towards each other. This forms the core of your sliding mechanism. Now, let's tackle the redstone circuitry. Lay redstone dust along the entire bottom of your 2x3x2 trench. This creates the conductive path for your power. At each end of the trench, place a redstone torch on the side of a block, ensuring it connects directly to the redstone dust. These torches will provide constant power to your sticky pistons. Make sure the redstone dust extends up to power the pistons effectively, creating a seamless circuit. With the redstone in place, it's time to add the door itself. Position 2 glass blocks between the sticky pistons on each side, forming your transparent sliding door. Once the glass is set, carefully cover the entire redstone trench with a sturdy block, such as stone or dirt, to conceal the wiring. Finally, place a pressure plate on the ground on both the inside and outside of your door. Stepping on these plates will activate the redstone, opening your new sliding glass door. To truly make this door your own, consider some finishing touches. You can experiment with various block types for the door frame to match your build's aesthetic, perhaps smooth stone or polished diorite. For a more discreet activation, try hiding your pressure plates under carpets or using buttons instead. Remember, this basic design can be expanded. You can easily adapt it to create wider or taller sliding doors by simply adding more pistons and extending your redstone circuit. Enjoy your functional and stylish new entrance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.